I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a transition in Clipchamp. Step 1. Open the video project in Clipchamp where you want to add a transition between two video clips. Step 2. Hold your cursor between the two video clips where you want to add a transition. A purple Add Transition button is displayed. Step 3. Click Add Transition. Available transition options will be shown on the right side of the screen. Different types of transitions include wipes, zooms and spins, pushes, glitches, and much more. Step 4. Click to select the transition you want to apply and then use the slider to define the duration of that transition. You'll be able to preview that transition in your Clipchamp video immediately. If you ever want to remove a transition, all you need to do is click that transition again and then click None at the top of that menu. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.